some of the customers asked me why this kind of shell need to take at least 25 to 30 days to produce. So today, here at the housing factory, to let me know how this kind of housing be produced. So firstly, here you can see there are so many this kind of metal pieces at the factory. We will have this kind of laser cutting machine. This kind of big metal pieces can be cutted by this laser machine to cut this kind of metal in small pieces. Next, processing. So you can see this is one piece of digital cutting machine. So when the factory receives the drawing file from our company, they will send the file inside of this machine. And this machine can be automatically produce the housing what we want. So you can see how these nails be put on inside of the housing. This processing produces. So you can see there are two machines. Workers will put this kind of nails be put on the bottom of the housing. And you know, on our housing, we will have these screws holes. With this machine, we will put this kind of screw inside of the bottom of the housing. So you can see details how to produce it. The next processing, let you know. Okay, you can see this is this processing. The edge of the housing will have this kind of machine to shape it. So the edge of the very details. After that, we need to put all those pieces together. So next processing will show you how to produce it. Let's go. Okay, you can see they will have all those small pieces, including screws. They will have like soldering, assembling all those small pieces together. And also, if there's screws needed, and they will soldering the screws and nails, inside of the housing or on the housing. This position is very important, because there are a lot of screws, and we need to match bottom and cover together. So the position of the screws on the housing is very important. It's very accurate. Like this kind of single panel, for only one piece, one worker needs to take 1 day to produce. 1 day to produce, to finish one piece of. Okay, before the housing be painted, we need to make sure the surface of the housing be very, very smooth. It's very important. So before painting processing, we have these two positions to smooth the surface of the housing in details, very detailed. So you can see the surface of the housing be smooth. So after this position, we will provide all those housing to painting factory for painting. Like this is a white color. So we can paint different colors with this housing. And for painting processing, for one piece of this kind of product, we need to take at least 1 hour to finish. So let's see all those processing, especially for quantity. We have to take at least 25 days. Just in normal season, we have to take at least 25 days. If in hot season, maybe we have to take 30 to 35 days to finish the housing processing. It's very interesting. Even though the factory here is very hot and the environment is not good, but they will also take a lot of time on the inspection of the painting processing. The factory here will take inspection details on the appearance of the housing. After they confirmed the inspection, they will send the housing to our factory to assembly the whole product. So thank you so much.